In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your Shopify theme for moving between accounts or making a backup. This process ensures that you have a copy of your current theme available whenever you need it. To begin, once you are on your Shopify homepage, look towards the navigation menu on the left part of your screen. There, you're going to find an option labeled Online Store. Click on it. This step is essential because it leads you directly to the central hub for managing your store's appearance and theme settings. When you click on Online Store, you'll be redirected to the Themes page, which is a crucial area in your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll see a display of your active theme. This page is a flexible workspace where you can preview your store's design and make real-time edits. The key feature, however, is located just beside the Customize button, a small icon with 3 dots, often known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Once you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear offering several options. From this menu, pick the Download Theme file. This choice allows you to save the current version of your theme outside of Shopify and onto your computer. It's like keeping a handy copy of all your hard work, ready to be used when you need to make adjustments or want to share it across different accounts. After you make your selection, a pop-up window will appear. This window will prompt you to send the theme file to the email address associated with your Shopify account. Simply click the Send Email button to proceed. Knowing how to navigate this part efficiently is particularly useful, as it streamlines how you manage your themes and maintain control over your design assets. Once you've completed that step, just navigate to your email inbox. Look for the email from Shopify. This message will contain a link to download your theme file. Also, from this same link, you can export the theme to another Shopify account if that's part of your plan. And that's it. You now have a copy of your theme that's ready for backup or transfer purposes. This method is a straightforward approach to ensure that all the design work you've invested in your theme remains safe or can be moved seamlessly between different accounts. Handling your themes carefully helps maintain your store's professional image and operational fluidity, and keeping backups simplifies updates or modifications in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for more assistance.